Thank you for choosing Rosie by VitalCare. Your Rosie personal alarm pendant connects to VitalCare's 24/7 monitored emergency response service. So let's set up your device and get you connected. The Rosie personal alarm pack includes your Rosie Start Guide, Rosie mobile pendant, charging dock, a USB charger and a charging cable. To turn on the device, press the bottom side button for 1 to 2 seconds and release. The pendant will take a few seconds to turn on. Once on, the pendant will display the time, date, battery level and signal strength. The battery indicator on the screen shows how much battery is remaining. If the indicator shows a number less than 25%, the battery is low and needs to be charged. To charge your device, ensure that the USB charger is plugged in and connected to the charging dock. Make sure your charger is turned on at the power point. Place the pendant in the dock. When the pendant is charging, the screen stays on. We recommend that you put your pendant in the charging dock by your bed each night. This way your Rosie personal alarm is always charged and accessible should you need it. If the battery is flat or the device is turned off, you must turn on the pendant before placing it in the charging dock. The red light on the charging dock is an indication that the charging dock is powered. It will always remain red. This will not change colour when the device battery is fully charged. Your Rosie pendant can be used while in the charging dock. The pendant display will time out after 10 seconds. This is to save the battery. To display or wake up the screen at any time, press and immediately release the top side button. Call Rosie for help at any time of the day or night. To call for help, press and hold the large button on the front of your Rosie pendant for 1 second. You will hear a beeping sound. This means you are being connected with your Rosie assistant. Do not press the button again after you have heard the beeping sound, as this will cancel the call. Once you are connected to the Rosie network, you will hear a recording saying,
"Please wait to be connected to a Rosie assistant."
You will then be connected to your Rosie assistant. The Rosie operator will determine your support needs and send help immediately. We connect emergency services, ambulance, police, or fire if required. Please call Rosie via the pendant to complete your initial onboarding setup. Once you are connected, please inform the Rosie assistant that this is an onboarding call. Congratulations, you are now ready to use your Rosie service. If you need help getting started, please call us on 1800 476 743.